Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change voice in Fliki AI. So first thing you need to do is open up your Fliki AI website and create your account. And once you do, simply create a video that you want to create. So I will simply create a video. So simply enter the prompt here and you can simply increase the duration of your video. So I will keep it at 1 minute and then click on this next button. Once you do, it will display many options. So simply select the preferred option that you like. Select, and from here you can also change your dialect, which is also voice. So I will keep it if this as United States and then click on this submit button. Once you do, it will create a AI video idea. So that while this is creating our video. Now our video has been created. So to change voice on your video, what you need to do is simply select any scene and then under the voiceover section, simply click on this name. Once you do that, it will pop up a screen where you can select any voice you want to change. So simply select any voice, and then once you do it, simply click on this apply to all scene checkbox and then click on this select button, and it will change the voice in your video. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.